Hi everybody and welcome back. It's Heather from New Zealand here. We're working our way through the Overwhelm to Order series based on the Flylady system. So we're learning new habits, we're putting them into action, and we're finding ways of keeping our homes clean and organised while having less stress and more time available to do the things we really want. Who doesn't want that? Okay, so let's start on day 3. Okay, so today is going to be slightly different from the last 2 days. If you remember, we've been shining our sinks, we've been getting dressed to shoes. So they've been real action days. Today is a little bit chill, a little bit more relaxed. So what we're going to do on day 3 is actually go to the Flylady website and have a look round. She's got some amazing information there on the whole system and how it works and the benefits of it. Lots of resources to help you as well. So I'll put a link down below to the Flylady system. So it's a chance to put up your feet, have a cup of tea or coffee, glass of wine, whatever you want, and have a look at her website. So there is a trap, however, and I have fallen into it more than once. When you look at the system on the website, it is very, very tempting to do what we always do. And that is jump in, boots and all, 100%, white knuckle it, clean your whole house, do the whole system, save the planet, be Wonder Woman all at once. Please promise me, we won't do that. That is not what the Flylady system is about. That's how we crash and that's how we burn. And we end up exactly where we started from. I have spent a lot of time putting energy into cleaning my house, getting to a point where I can't stand it anymore, so I put some time aside, some energy aside, I go for it, I totally work myself to the bone. I'm exhausted, it takes a long time. I look around and the rest of my life has fallen to bits. The rest of my life has fallen behind because I put all my energy into cleaning my house. The idea of the Flylady system is that you don't do that. You do these steps that we're working through, keep them up to date, keep the rest of your life going as well in tandem. So we're not ending up in a situation where we're robbing Peter to pay Paul. We take time from projects we should be doing to clean our house, then those projects that we should be doing, whether it's the gardening or having time with the family or looking after ourselves or writing our novel or whatever it may be, gets neglected. We're not doing that. This is a different way of living, a different way of organising ourselves. We're not being heroes, we're being productive, and we're getting there in the long term. So please have a look at the website. Maybe limit your time you spend on the internet because the internet is such a time gobbler, can eat up a day very easily. 10 minutes can turn into a couple of hours. So maybe put a time limit on the amount of time you spend on the site, but do go and have a look. Over time we will cover all the aspects that she talks about, zone cleaning, weekly plans, all that kind of thing. But we're learning to walk before we run. We're not going on a marathon on our day 1 of exercise. So, shine your sink, get dressed to shoes, have a look at the website, and I'll see you tomorrow.